Hello everyone, this is Mr. E and this is going to be part 3 of lesson 3. We've done divisibility rule for 3, practiced divisibility rule for 9, a couple of practices. Now we're going to put those two together because they both use the sum of the digits. Let's get started. So let's see if these numbers are divisible or not divisible by 3 or 9 or both or neither. So 2997. We're going to take the sum of the digits and see what the factors are. So 2 plus 9 plus 9 plus 7 is 27. Well, since 27 can be divided evenly by both 3 and 9, that means that 3 and 9 are both factors of 2,997. It's just that simple, guys. We add up the digits. If that sum can be divided by 3, the number is divisible by 3. If that sum can be divided by 9, then that number also has a factor of 9. All right, doesn't matter how big it is, the rule is the same. 113,421. What are the sum of the digits? 1 plus 1 is 2, plus 3 is 5, plus 4 is 9, plus 2 is 11, plus 1 is 12. So my sum of the digits is 12. Sum of the digits. Sum means to add. The sum of the digits is 12. Well, 12 is divisible by 3, but not by 9. Therefore, 3 is a factor of 113,421, but 9 is not. Okay, so it can be 1, both, or neither one. And again, I hope you did these already while you switch videos. 3 or 9, or neither. Sum of the digits, 1 plus 4 plus 9 plus 4 is 18. 3 and 9 are factors of 18, so 3 and 9 are factors of 1,494. 9,439, 9 plus 4 is 13, plus 3 is 16, plus 9 is 25. 3 is not a factor of 25, 9 is not a factor of 25, so 3 and 9 are not factors of 9,439. So how can we use this? Well, let's say you were asked to simplify this huge fraction, which seems to be a huge fraction, and to explain your reasoning. What would you do and what would you say? Well, you may notice that 5 is a factor of 135, but not a factor of 279, because if you look at the ones place, 5 works for 135, but not for 279. So your teacher's impressed right now. Then you say 2 and 10 are not factors either, because for 2 to be a factor, you need 0, 2, 4, 6, or 8 in a ones place. For 10 to be a factor, you need 0, and neither one of those applies. So all you're left with is a bunch of guessing, or you can say, let me try the sum of the digits. Well, 1 plus 3 plus 5 is 9. 2 plus 7 plus 9 is 18. Well, 3 and 9 are factors of 9 and 18. So they're obviously not factors of 135 and 279. But it'd be a little bit easier if you used the larger number. At least it'll be faster. So we're going to use 9 as our common factor. So I'll write it here so I have more room. 135, 279, divided by 9, divided by 9. I get 1, 45, 5, 31. Now I'm not done. I can keep going. Oh no, I can't keep going because 31 is a prime number. So I'm done. So you see how that works? Saved a lot of guessing. We went through 2, we went through 5, went through 10, and then we tried some of the digits for 3 and 9. And we chose 9 because it's larger, which helps us factor faster. All right, we're finally done with 3 and 9. So far we've done 2, not 4. We've done 2, 3, 5, 9.